Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. So in this video, I am going to explain finite difference method on second order ordinary differential equation. So this is a very powerful technique to solve numerically this ordinary differential equation. So already I have explained in my previous videos difference between your exact solution and approximate solution or numerical solution. So exact solution will, your y will be on the whole interval, but when you use the numerical scheme, so we get the solution on the node points of this interval. We won't get for the continuous data, we'll get the solution on the some node points. Okay, so this differential equation, what we do, we'll approximate this derivative term in the difference equation. So for that we have a forward difference, backward difference, central difference. So let me take one differential equation, y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to f of x. So I will tell the how to approximate the second derivative, first derivative using the central difference formula. So your y dash equal to y I plus 1 minus y minus 1 by 2h. So this is the central difference approximation for y dash, and for y double dash yi plus 1 minus 2I plus yi minus 1 by h square. So we substitute this y double dash in this main equation. So this will convert in the difference equation, and suppose this is the interval, so we'll get that using h we can have here a1, a2, a3. So we'll write the difference equation on these three nodes, because outer nodes will have the boundary condition. So this will solve the boundary value problem. So this is the y0 we'll have, and suppose this is the 0 to 1, 0 to 4. So 1, 2, 3. So solution at y0 we'll have, this is called y0. Solution at y4, this is called y4, and y1, y2 and y3. So these three will be unknown, and y4 and y0 and y4 are known, that is the boundary condition. So for these three unknown, we need the three linear equation. So at first node we'll write one for this I equal to 1, we get one equation in the for the first node. I equal to 2, we get the equation. On the second node, I equal to 3, we get the equation. On the third node, so we get the three equation and three unknowns, y1, y2, y3. We can simplify and get the answer. Let me take one problem. For double dash plus y equal to 0, and the condition y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 1 and h equal to 0.25. h equal to 0.25. Fine. So first you try to understand this part. So this part will be 0 and 1, and h equal to 0.25. So this is the first node, 0.25, second node and third node. So y0 equal to 0 is given. So y1, so y0 equal to 0 already is given. Fine. And 1 is called y4. y4 is nothing but your solution at x equal to 1. So already 1 is given here. So this is called y1, y2 and y3. So three unknowns are there. So let me write the difference finite difference approximation of a y double dash. So we have here y I plus 1 minus 2y plus yi minus 1 by h square plus yi equal to 0. Fine. Now, if you collect the coefficient of yi, so we get yi plus 1 plus h square by 2 yi plus yi minus 1 equal to 0. Since h equal to 0.25, so that is fixed, so we can write here yi plus 1, and this is the h square equal to 0.25 square. So we are getting, so here we have a 0.25 square minus 2, so this is a 1 minus 1.9375y equal to 0. So now your differential equation is converted in the difference equation using this finite difference approximation. Now let us write the equation for the first node. So I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means what we get here? y2 minus 1.937 y1 plus y0 equal to 0. And y equal to 0 is given. This is the boundary condition. So this is 0. So we get the first equation y2 minus 1.9375 y1 equal to 0. Fine. Now I equal to 2. We are trying to get the solution at the second node. Second interior node actually. So I equal to 2 means we have y3 minus 1.9375 y2 plus y1 equal to 0. So these three are unknowns, y3, y2, y1. So no change. We don't have anything to substitute here. Now for this third node, I equal to 3. So I equal to 3 means we get y4 minus 1.9375 y3 plus y2 equal to 0. Now y4, your y4 is what is given? y4 is given 1. Fine. y4 is given 1. So this will be 1 here. So 1 minus 1.9375 y3 plus y2 equal to 0. Now y2 minus 1.37 y3 equal to minus 1. So this is the third equation. Now if you see, so this is your tridiagonal system. So your first equation, that coefficient is minus 1.9375, y2 coefficient is 1, y3 coefficient is 0. Second equation, y1 coefficient is 1, y2 coefficient is 1 minus 9375, y3 coefficient is 1 here. And third one, y1 coefficient is 0, y2 coefficient is 1, y3 coefficient is 1 minus 375, y1, y2, y3 equal to 0, 0, 0. So we are getting the tridiagonal system of linear equation. So this we can solve any method. We can apply any method and solve. So final answer we are getting. So here right hand side we have minus 1 here for the third equation. So if we simplify, so we get y1 equal to 0.2943, y2 equal to 0.5701, y3 equal to 0.8108. So these are the solution at the interior points. So we have seen how using finite difference approximation your differential equation convert in the difference equation, and with that we get system of linear algebraic equation, and then we can solve using any method. We have lot of method to solve the system of linear equation and get the solution. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.